This literature kit on Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll provides information that is very helpful and easy to understand. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Make a list of homophones and describe their differences. Predict what actions Alice will take based on past actions. Put events in order as Alice meets the Duchess and Cheshire Cat. Describe what the Gryphon wants Alice to recite. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as completing a hare fact sheet with information gathered from online sources. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Summarize your favorite adventures from the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.